Did you know that your body is made from more than 20 amino acids, but only 9 of these amino acids are essential for our body survival? These essential amino acids help to build our muscle. It helps to repair our tissue. We need it to regulate our hormones. It also helps to improve our mood. But do you know that none of these essential amino acids can be produced by your body naturally? So in this video, I'm going to mention what these 9 essential amino acids are. I'm going to mention the function they perform in the body, and of course the natural sources of the 9 essential amino acids, especially from plant-based source. So hello, I am Dr. Ido. You are welcome to the Plant Therapist YouTube channel. So amino acids are called the building block of protein. So whenever you eat protein, your body breaks it down into amino acid, and these amino acids are used to build your muscles and organs. They are also used to produce enzymes and hormones. These amino acids are also used to support immune function and also to repair damaged tissue. So we have 3 different categories of amino acid. We have the non-essential amino acid. These your body can produce by themselves. Secondly, we have the conditionally essential amino acid. You need this conditionally essential amino acid when you are ill or when you are stressed. Then lastly, we have the essential amino acid. These must come from food. So among the 3 types of amino acid, I'm going to talk about which are the essential amino acid. Now, these essential amino acids are critical for your muscle growth and repair. They are also very important for the brain neurotransmitter production, which is their job. The job is to carry signals or messages from one neuron to the target cell. The essential amino acids are also very important for hormone regulation in our body. It is also important for immune defense and energy metabolism. So a deficiency of the essential amino acid can lead to your muscle being damaged, that is muscle wasting. It can lead to weak immunity, you easily get infected or fall ill easily. It can also affect your concentration, that is poor concentration, you lack focus or balance, and also a deficiency in this essential amino acid can lead to fatigue and slow recovery. So that is why understanding this nutrient, it is so important. So now let's break down the 9 essential amino acids one after the other. So in no particular order, the first one, the number 1 essential amino acid needed by your body are the histidine. The histidine helps to support your immune system. It helps in red blood cell production and also help in brain functioning. So for our brain to function properly, it needs histidine. Now, what are the food sources, the plant-based sources of histidine? We have the legume, we have the whole grain, and we have the seeds. Another essential amino acid needed by our body is the isoleucine. Isoleucine is important for muscle metabolism, for energy production, and also for blood sugar regulation. So for energy production, for muscle metabolism, and for blood sugar regulation. Now, what are the food sources of isoleucine? We have the beans, yes, the beans, we have the lentils, we have the soy, and we have the nuts. We have the peanuts, the cashew nuts. All these are rich sources of the isoleucine. The next essential amino acid needed by our body are the leucine. The leucine key role in our body is for muscle protein synthesis, for muscle recovery and growth. And what are the food sources of the leucine? The food sources of leucine are the soybean, the peanuts, and the pumpkin seed. The soybean, the peanuts, and the pumpkin seed are the food sources, the natural sources of the amino acid leucine. The number 4 essential amino acid needed by our body is the lysine. Lysine are essential for calcium absorption. So if you need your body to absorb calcium maximally from food or from supplements, you need to eat food rich in lysine. So aside calcium absorption, lysine are also important for collagen formation. Collagen are what provide structure, strength, and then make our skin elastic, help our bone, our muscle, our tendon, our ligaments, our cartilage. In fact, it helps all these things to stay firm, smooth, and functional. And also, lysine helps to build our immune strength, for immune strength. So what are the food sources of lysine? We have the legumes, which are the lentils, the peas, the kidney beans, the pinto beans, and several other type of grain legume, and also the quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free seed-based food from South America, and also amaranth. Amaranth, we have different species of amaranth. The green leaves that we eat, or the green vegetable, are rich sources of lysine. The number 5 essential amino acid needed by your body are the methionine. The methionine are essential for detoxification. Methionine helps to detoxify or to remove toxins from your body organ. And secondly, methionine helps in antioxidant production, which helps us to withstand stress. Then thirdly, the methionine helps your skin and your hair health. So if you want your skin to be healthy and to glow, you need to eat food rich in methionine. And also, if you want to have a healthy hair, you need methionine. Now, what are the food sources of methionine? The natural sources of methionine are the sesame seeds. They are the whole grain food, and also the Brazil nuts. Now, the number 6 essential amino acid needed by your body are the phenylalanine. The phenylalanine are used to produce dopamine. Dopamine are brain chemicals that act as messenger and produce stimuli such as motivation, focus, coordinating voluntary movement in our body, regulating pleasure, mood, and also phenylalanine help in the production of adrenaline hormone in our body, and it also support the production of noradrenaline in our body. Now, what are the food sources of phenylalanine? We have the soy product, the soy milk, the soybean itself, the soy powder, or the soy cake. We also have the legume. We have the legume, the kidney beans, the red bean, the lentil, and also seeds. Food that are seeds generally are rich sources of phenylalanine. The number 7 essential amino acid needed by our body are the threonine. The threonine helps to support your gut lining integrity, so it helps you to maintain a healthy gut, and then a consistent microbiome, that is the essential microorganism needed by your gut. It also helps to support your immunity function. It helps you to build your immunity, and also for protein balance in our body. What are the food sources of the threonine? We have the beans, we have the lentil, we have the seed. The beans, the lentil, and the seed are rich sources of the essential amino acid threonine. The number 8 essential amino acid needed by our body is the tryptophan. The tryptophan are important for the serotonin production. Serotonin are very important neurotransmitter in our body. They are important for the coordinate sleep, appetite, mood, learning, memory, and is often called the happy hormones or the happy chemical in our body. So the tryptophan helps in the production of serotonin. The tryptophan also helps in sleep regulation because it produces serotonin, and it helps your mood balancing. So if you want to have a good sleep, you need enough production of serotonin, which in turn you need enough amount of tryptophan in your body system. And what are the food sources of the amino acid tryptophan? we have the pumpkin seed. The pumpkin seed are rich in tryptophan. We have the oats. The oatmeal are rich sources of the amino acid tryptophan. And we also have bananas. Bananas, this is the first fruit I'm going to mention. Okay, the bananas are rich source of tryptophan. And then we have the legumes. So tryptophan, you need to take bananas, you need to take the legumes, you need to take pumpkin, and you need to take the oats. The number 9 essential amino acid needed by our body are the valine. The valine supports muscle coordination. If you want your muscle to be well coordinated, you need to take the valine. You also need valine for tissue repair. When your tissue is damaged, you are injured, you've just gone through an operation, you need valine for tissue repair. And lastly, for energy balance, if you want to remain energetic all through the day, or whether you are old or getting older, you need valine. And now, what are the plant sources or the food sources of the essential amino acid called the valine? We have the legumes, we have the grains, and the peanuts. The legumes, the grains, and the peanuts. So, can you get all these essential micronutrients from plants? Absolutely, and why not? If you notice, all are mentioned from the first to the 9th essential amino acid needed by our body are all gotten from plants. And what are the common plants? I've mentioned the legumes, the nuts, I've mentioned amaranth, and also banana. So now, while many plant proteins are lower in 1 or 2 amino acid, combining plant food solves the problem. So you need to eat food in combination for you to get the best of amino acid, the essential amino acid from food. Now, example of food you need to combine are the rice and beans. Yes, the rice and beans we combine a very good option, which has the grain and then it has a legume. It has the grain and the legume, so you get some of the 9 essential amino acid from this combination. Also, you can combine the lentil and whole grains. The lentil and whole grain are also a great combination for you to get the 9 essential amino acid. And also the nuts and legumes. You can combine nuts and legume as a meal to get the essential amino acid from your food. So practically, you just need to eat a diverse range of plant protein daily. Include the legumes, the grains, the nuts, and the seed in your meal. You don't rely on a single protein source for you to get your essential amino acid. Then adequate calories also matter. So protein use depends on your energy intake or how much energy you use in a day. So whole food beats supplements. So eating the right proportion of combination or diverse food, it's quite better than using supplement. So essential amino acids are non-negotiable nutrients your body depends on every day. But the good news is, with a balanced plant-rich diet, you can meet all your essential amino acid need naturally. So if you like this video or if you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you click the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you share this video with others. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.